Welcome to another episode of Lousje and Bean Behind the Scene. It's Sunday and it's Lousje's Couch Talk. Welcome, lovelies. Here we are, Sunday again. My God, I cannot believe it. When it's Friday, I always think, what the heck happened to the week? It just went like that. Well, I hope you're all comfy and cozy and relaxed, and you've got your little cup of espresso or coffee or tea. I've got a great question to answer and talk about and show in this video. But first of all, I'd like to talk a little bit about last week, what happened. We did a huge drop unboxing and styling of Saget and Plover, an explosion of colors and unbelievable, well received by all you lovelies. Then we did the new jewelry that we got in the store, Pursuit, and it's the architectural line that we are so excited about. And then we did the house tour, which you all liked so much. So it was a really good week. Anyway, all that, we had a busy week. It's busy all around. We had to film this episode a little bit ahead because, surprise, when you're watching this, I'm not really where you think I am. I'm in Savannah. We're taking a well-deserved rest because we've been going. We are enjoying a relax and savor the nice weather and the amazing food. I'm going to do a huge video, little story with lots of pictures. Okay, let's get the show on the road. So I have to read this question because it was lovely worded. And the question is from Laura. And Laura's heading was Stripes, Florals, Plaits. Oh my. And she writes, Dear Miss Lousje, aw, so cute, Miss Lousje. Your thoughts and tips on prints, please. Most of my wardrobe consists of solid dark neutrals. Whenever I try to introduce a print, I lose interest in that item. This is a very interesting point. And trying to put prints together, I'm great at showing you how to do it wrong. I'm sure that's not the case, Laura, but anyway, thank you. What a great question. I had a lot of fun researching a little bit. So, first of all, what you have in your wardrobe is fantastic. You have solids, right? Dark and neutrals. If you think of the Lousje and Bean collection, our own line, right? It's always consists of solids like black, gray, chocolate brown. If you're introducing navy, then we have a splash of color. But the neutrals are always there because those are your building blocks, right? And from there on, you can have a little bit of fun. So the prints that we usually choose, Tessa and I, as you know, we're crazy for polka dots. And so we do polka dots, black and white and black. But usually that's about it, right? Those basic colors in polka dots. And then we do a lot of stripes. We like our stripes. Also black and white, navy, sometimes a colored stripe, different color stripe. But those are basically our prints, our basic prints, I would call them. And then we also bring in some animal prints, carefully though, always careful, and some florals, some plaits. But we are very careful with our prints because it's the one thing that you said. If you buy prints, you get very tired of them. Quite often, prints are part of a fad, right, or a fashion fad. And fashion fads fade. They fade very quickly. You have to be careful with your prints, but there's a lot of, for instance, this print that I'm wearing in the pant. This is a print that would never go away. I call this a basic print, right? You can have this for your life. It's a black and white print. As you can see, you can wear it with black, you can wear it with white, you can wear it with red, you can wear it with a chartreuse, a fuchsia, but the print itself is a subdued print. It's a basic print. And then this is why I wore this. I want to show you how you can have fun with prints. That's why this is a basic print too. It's not a wow in your face, oh my God print. It's very subdued, and I think this is, I love that. I like playing with that. With the prints, and then it brings back, of course, bonuses that the cuff is also white and black striped. But this is a little bit of a funky, edgy outfit to be on the safe side. Stay with, and I will talk about further, and then Kristen will show you some. But you are very wise to start with solids, and then also solids. You can say the tank dress is a solid black, or it's a solid gray, or whatever color we decide to bring it that year, the Lousje and Bean tank dress. You can jazz that up with a beautiful scarf. Not every one of you likes a scarf or can wear a scarf, so then you can jazz it up with a big funky necklace or some long big earrings. But your basic is always your building block. So of course we completely stepped out of the box with Sacket and Plover, and we always do it with Sacket and Plover because it's such a colorful line. But we find their prints they're cool prints. We like them, and I'm sure you could wear them for quite a few years. So the spring summer collection that we styled last week. So for instance, the one that I styled were the floral pants from Sacket and Plover, the shirt in the same pattern. It's a beautiful soft flowery print. And then I opened up the shirt and I had this solid t-shirt. I did it in melon, and I like doing it because it calms everything down a bit, and you still have your print, but you have that solid color that calms it down. One of my favorite outfits is the print legging from Crisas, the long Lousje and Bean black tank, and then the little raw edge jacket from Crisas in a magenta, but the color of the leggings are the color of the jacket, so it tones in. I love that type of dressing, and it's a print with two non-prints, but ties beautiful together. Then I wore one of my favorite outfits from Crisas, the linen spring summer. So I wear 4 pieces from Crisas. I wear the skirt, top, and the overcoat and the scarf. It's all the same fabric weave with the dot in it. It's the green, and then the overcoat is gray, and then the scarf is green, but the other side of the scarf is a little lighter green. It's tone on tone. It's fabulous. It's edgy. It's a beautiful look. And also, if you have a print, make sure you can mix match it with other things in your wardrobe. But Laura, you will be fine with that because you've got all your basic blocks in place. And then Tessa did a beautiful styling of the water sport dress, the balloon dress with the little jacket, and that's all patterns, but it's also a kind of very subtle pattern. Again, the jacket she can wear with jeans, she can wear with black pants, with a skirt. The dress you can wear with a solid linen jacket or a jeans jacket for that matter. So the thing to focus on, Laura, I think would be that the colors are not clashing, that they kind of harmonize together, and that the patterns, same phrase, they don't clash and they harmonize together. And then the other one is you can refer back to the couch talk I did last Sunday, where I wore Crisas. I wore the Crisa linen skirt in the chartreuse green with the polka dot, and then I wore the car coat, which is a chartreuse with a pattern. I mentioned that the patterns didn't go together at all. It's from a total different design, but somehow it worked together because it was in the chartreuse family. It had a black design on it, and the whole thing gelled together. I'm sure you can do this, Laura. I'm sure you're going to do this fabulously. And then the other thing you can have fun with is like pick up colors with your necklace and your scarf, right? And your bracelet, your earrings, your shoes. Very important, your shoes. Recently, Tessa has had a lot of fun with an animal print little bootie that she wears all the time. And Tessa is all of a sudden into animal prints and wears it beautifully. So you buy a skirt or a top in animal print, and you, of course, wear a black pant or, a brown pants or a jacket that goes with it. Lots of fun to be had. So I hope this answered your question. And thank you. It was a very amazing question. And don't be shy, lovelies, to ask me whatever is giving you anxiety in your wardrobe choices. Exciting next week, we have a new drop from Crisas. We've got a really nice t-shirt dress. We've got an amazing pant. We've got a few little jackets. And then, very exciting tomorrow, stay tuned. There is some really good news on the mesh tops. Okay, lovelies, enjoy your Sunday and do something that you really want to do. And as always, keep on smiling.